If you want to profit with ChatGPT and you want to take it to the next level, then you need to upgrade GPT, and the easiest way to do it is with custom chatbots. These let you make money. They let you make upwards of $1,000 per sale. Selling to clients, they let you get traffic. They let you level up with the most powerful AI on the planet. But how can anyone do it? Well, presenting Chatbot AI. The easiest way that anyone can build their own custom chatbots for themselves or for the clients. Now, here's how it works. Step 1. Log into Chatbot AI and build your chatbot. This is a custom, more powerful version of ChatGPT. Step 2. Now that your bot is built, you want to customize it. We've got beta testers who have made thousands of dollars deploying these chatbots in the marketplace. We'll show you exactly how it works and how you can deploy your own custom chatbot for any purpose. Step 3. Now your custom chatbot is live. It's yours. It's ready to get traffic. It's ready to make money. You can sell these custom chatbots to clients and make thousands of dollars. Using this cutting-edge technology, or you can use it on your own websites. We'll give you case studies of how we've made thousands of dollars, both as an affiliate and as a product owner, flipping these secret, ultra-powerful chatbots for massive cash flow influxes. No one else knows about this technology, which uses OpenAI's Assistant GPT model, which is more powerful than GPT-4, more powerful than GPT-4 Turbo, more powerful than any other language model on the planet. This is the only software that gives you access to the GPT Assistant model, and you're getting a huge drop on the competition for 2024 when you get Chatbot AI. So what are you waiting for? Don't you believe AI is the future? Don't you want to level up your profits? If so, you know what to do. Click the button. Join the revolution. Launch your first chatbot. Okay, thanks. Enjoy your new future with the most powerful AI on the planet.